Mangochi police have arrested a 38-year-old mother who is suspected to have permitted his husband to defile his 14-year-old stepdaughter. Spokesperson for Mangochi Police, Sub-Inspector Amina Tepani Daud, said the suspect, who remarried in 2012, brought her 6 children, including the victim, from the previous marriage. It is therefore revealed that in May 2021, the suspect and her husband, who was convicted to 21 jail term, connived to be sleeping with her as a way to secure the suspect marriage.
We have arrested this 38-year-old woman following a confession in court by her 14-year-old daughter that the suspect permitted her husband to be defiling the victim, who happens to be his stepdaughter. We'll also learn that the suspect remarried in 2012 and has 6 children from her previous marriage, including the victim. Last year in May, the suspect agreed with her husband to be sleeping with the 14-year-old stepdaughter after she put to bed as a charm to secure her marriage.
Daud further said that the two initiated a 5-year contraceptive method on the victim, and her stepfather consistently had unprotected sex with her.
The couple also put the victim on a 5-year contraceptive process, and the stepfather had been sleeping with her without protection. The incident is worrisome, and what this woman did to her daughter is inhuman.
The suspect will appear before court to answer a charge of omitting defilement, contrary to Section 142 of the Penal Code.
We have charged her with permitting defilement, which is contrary to Section 142 of the Penal Code, and she will appear before court soon.
She hails from Mikundi village, Tiemponda in the district. Reporting for K Media, this is Felix Van Captain Ojes.